Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you the review and swatches of our newly launched W lipsticks. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Let's get into the video. So excited when this brand W has launched their lipstick in Nike. I was so excited to buy them. I was so craving to buy them to get in my hands because I love this brand. Okay, I have many kurtas. This kurta is from W. I have to say their kurtas are no superb, of superb quality and superb fit. I have I have purchased kurtas of many brand, even though they extra small is my size. So if I buy some kurtas from any other brand, I probably have to alter their length. Obviously I have to alter their length because I am only 5'4". So but in case of W, I don't want to alter their length. I don't want to alter the length of their sleeves. Everything is such a perfect fit. So that's why I like W's kurtas, and their quality is like awesome. Like their cotton kurtas, their cotton is like good quality cotton that they won't shrink even after 1 or 2 washes, and their color doesn't fade off. I have bought kurtas from some other brand, but I was disappointed because after 1 or 2 washes the cotton of that cotton will shrink and it feels so tight. We cannot wear if you are buying correct fit cloth, then we cannot wear. So but in kurtas, W kurtas were always my favorite. Okay, so I was so excited to buy them. Then I bought 2 lipsticks from their brand because I just want to try their texture. I just want to get their taste. So first I bought their Vita Enrich Longwear lipstick in Bullet lipstick, one from Bullet range, and in the shade Tan Fan. And I bought one more lipstick. This is liquid lipstick in the shade Amuse Me. So when they launched the lipstick, I thought that like I obviously have we have W's kurtas are always on high end, but I usually buy them when they are on sale. Actually their kurtas new arrivals or new launches are so high end, like 3,000 2,000, or their festive wears are obviously on high end, but their workwear kurtas and normal cotton kurtas, they are around 800 600 on when they are on new arrivals. They will be like in 600 to 800, but when we buy on sale it might get reduced to it might go down to 400 also. I bought this kurta for 500 something. So obviously we cannot buy it during if you are conscious about your money, then you cannot buy them during normal when they arrange and when they launch their new arrivals, but you can always buy them on the sale. So I thought W will launch a lipstick with like high end, like their kurtas, new arrival kurtas, like high end product. But surprisingly they launched their products in affordable price, that so that everyone can try. Okay, then one more thing about this thing is in this video is that this is not a sponsored video. Okay, look at my सब्सक्राइबर्स तो 60 या 70 ही है, तो मुझे कौन स्पॉन्सर करेंगे? तो ये तो मेरा खुद का मनी में मैंने खुद का पैसा में लिया, ठीक है। तो जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ ये सब सच है, ये हॉनेस्ट रिव्यू दे रही हूँ। तो जो भी है ट्रस्ट मी, ये सब सुन के आप ले लेना, अगर आपको पसंद आ गई तभी ले लेना, ठीक है। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द लिपस्टिक। पहले मैं ये बुलेट लिपस्टिक के बारे में बता दूँ। तो जो है ये ऐसे पैकेजिंग में आता है, सी कम्स इन दिस पैकेजिंग। एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट पैकेजिंग, it's a dusty pink packaging. It's quite normal, like I'm because I don't keep this packaging. I just keep the tube. Just keep the lipstick because for me packaging is space, space. It covers the space, so I don't keep this package. I just throw it away. Okay, so it comes like this. Open box. There is some lipstick inside this coffin like box. So this is their bullet lipstick. There is there is shade name in this, but it's not color coded. Okay, so let's talk about their claims. W Longwear lipstick is a vegan lipstick that gives you non-stop intense matte color for up to 8 hours. This lightweight lipstick glides on easily. This formulation is a perfect combination of intense pigments blended with skincare agents like vitamin A, E, C and avocado oil that lock the moisture and condition the lips to give a rich color that will not bleed, smudge or feather. So they say that this is a Longwear lipstick, vegan, that is a good point. Non-stop intense matte color. This is not completely matte, but this is like a creamy matte for me. So this is a creamy matte formula and it stays for 8 hours. 8 hours is like it's too much. It stays for me. It stays for like 4 to 5. So ये 3.5 gram of product है. It retails for 649 rupees. I got this for around 300-400 rupees. If you ask me, I will say to spend 300 rupees for this lipstick, doubtful है. मतलब 300-400 rupees के लिए तो ये I don't think it's worth. But obviously you can give it a try. If you want to try a new lipstick on market, then you can give it a try. It's not so bad, but it's not so worth for 600 rupees. Okay. And one more thing, they claim that they are smudge proof, transfer proof, feather proof. Okay, I will show you. This is my hand. Smudge test. See, they do smudge. So what they claim, we are not getting what they claim. Okay, so it do smudge, it do smother. It's just like a normal matte lipstick. Liquid lipstick. This reminds me of Lakme Forever Matte in formula, but this is much much pigmented than that lipstick. For Lakme, we have to apply 3 or 4 coats to get that pigmentation. But this in this liquid lipstick you can apply with one stroke. Okay, one stroke application. So highly pigmented, so comfortable. As it claims that it doesn't stays for 10 or 12 hours, but it stays for 6 to 8 hours. Normally like other liquid lipstick, it do stays for 6 to 8 hours. So after heating, it leaves a tint like something. It doesn't completely fades off, but it leaves a tint, which I personally like. And this is so comfortable, doesn't dries out your lips. But one con is that it accentuates your fine lines. If you are if you have fine lines in your lips like me, then it might accentuate your fine line. And also I use this liquid lipstick without lip balm. I personally don't like to use lip balm because I feel like if you use a lip balm, it it easily fades off the lipstick. I don't know, it doesn't stay. Lipstick doesn't stay if you use a lip balm. If you don't use a lip balm, it sometimes some lipsticks crumbles with lip balm. I don't know. So this you can wear without a lip balm. that's it for today's video. I hope you can like my video, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, and please do subscribe my video. Like, you subscribers are my strength. So we'll come with another video. Till then, bye bye.